Slack is a popular productivity tool, but before you decide whether to buy it, here are 12 things you should know. This will help you weigh its pros and cons compared to other productivity and team collaboration tools. First off, Slack's main appeal is its user friendly interface. The design is clean and easy to navigate, making communication between teams seamless. But compared to Microsoft Teams or Google Chat, it's a little less integrated with their respective ecosystems, which might make switching between apps a bit more cumbersome. The second thing you need to know is Slack's powerful search functionality. It's one of the best out there, allowing you to search through messages, files, and even conversations with ease. But Teams has made improvements in this area recently, so if searchability is crucial for your workflow, you'll want to test them both out. Next thing, Slack's channels are designed to organize conversations by topic or team, making it easier to keep track of ongoing projects. However, if you prefer a more direct, document-heavy approach to collaboration, Microsoft Teams might be a better fit since it integrates well with Microsoft Office products. The fourth thing to know is Slack's integrations. With over 2,000 apps available, it's a strong contender for businesses that rely on a lot of third-party tools. If you already use Google Workspace or Office 365 heavily, though, Teams or even Google Chat could be more integrated and seamless, as they're built to work closely with those suites. Slack's real-time messaging feature is another key selling point. It's incredibly fast, and you can organize your messages into threads to avoid clutter. However, some users find that the constant ping of notifications can get overwhelming, especially in large teams. Teams and Google Chat allow you to control notification settings a bit better. Next thing to consider is Slack's pricing. While it offers a free version, the paid plans can get expensive depending on the size of your team. For larger teams, Microsoft Teams might be a more budget-friendly option, as it's bundled with Office 365 and includes more features in its free version. The seventh thing is the ability to call team members directly through Slack. Video calls are available too, but they're somewhat limited unless you're on a paid plan. Teams has more robust video conferencing features out of the box, especially for larger meetings or webinars. The eighth thing is how Slack handles file sharing. It supports a wide variety of file types and allows for easy sharing within conversations. That said, file management can get a bit chaotic in larger teams, and Teams does a better job of integrating file management directly into the app, especially with SharePoint. Next, let's talk about customization. Slack allows you to personalize notifications, themes, and even automate some tasks with bots. But if you're looking for a more streamlined experience with fewer distractions, Teams might offer more of that since it's more focused on productivity within its ecosystem. Another thing worth mentioning is Slack's mobile app. It's one of the best in the market, offering almost all of the desktop features on your phone. But if you're deeply invested in Microsoft's ecosystem, Teams mobile app offers tighter integration with other Microsoft apps, making it a smoother experience for those already using Outlook, OneDrive, or SharePoint. Now, the 11th thing to know is security. Slack offers solid security features like two-factor authentication and data encryption, but it might not be as robust as Teams, which benefits from Microsoft's enterprise-level security features. If you're handling sensitive data, that's something to keep in mind. Finally, while Slack is a great option for communication and collaboration, it might not be the most complete productivity tool for your team. If you're looking for something that also includes project management features like task tracking or team calendars, you might want to consider alternatives like Asana or Monday.com. All in all, Slack is a solid productivity tool for team communication, but if you're looking for a more integrated or affordable option, or a tool with built-in project management features, there are better alternatives out there. Check out our recommended solution below that you can try for free.